Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. Wow, now this is a pretty cool project idea. I feel like you could do like the same thing like numerous different ways. You can like use it for like a handbag even. What a cute design. And then we have some type of sculpture here. So she's got the brown paper. You can also use newspaper if you wanted to. Some tape. Very cool. And I love the uniqueness of this. Each time you would make it, it would be like a one-of-a-kind design. So here we have some utensils. So she gave that kind of like an antique look. And I'm guessing obviously this project is for like the kitchen area. So she's going to be doing like a little nice, kitchen decor piece. I'm thinking this next DIY is definitely some sort of basket. Maybe even a plant pot, we'll see. Oh, I love the design she's doing around the perimeter of the top. I thought maybe she was making handles at first. But this is a nice little design accent. Wow, and it is a plant pot. Very cool. Alright, I see a Target shopping cart here. Looks like someone's making a bookshelf or a closet. Oh yeah, these are bookshelves, but she is turning this into a closet. They look like the pieces that you would get from Ikea. That's really interesting. Okay, so she drilled some holes into the top and then wow, that was really creative. They seriously look like the closet items that you get from Ikea. Like, it looks the same to me. And we actually have that in our closet, so definitely a close dude doing the bookcases. That's crazy. Alright, so it looks like someone's making some kind of basket here. So they used the cardboard as a base and then added in this rope around it. Leather detailing. Some studs. A wooden handle. Oh, this is nice. Oh, they use it as legs. So it's a plant potter. Plant pot. Plant potter. Plant pot. Wow, that's cute. Nice, simple DIY. Very cool. So it looks like someone is doing a design for their succulent here. The word gratitude. Oh, it's a key holder. That's cute. I thought it was something for the succulent, but I guess that was just like a little decor. Very nice. And this is a nice, like, little easy project. Very cute. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.